Hi, I'm Adam Pena from the Technical Product Marketing team here at Celigo. Today, I will demonstrate some of the features and enhancements of our Google Sheets connector. Features like quick formatting and pre-built templates can make adding your spreadsheets into your integration strategy quick and easy. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're a BDR at a conference or sales event, capturing leads from the booth in a Google Sheet, like this one. You want to add all the leads created in the spreadsheet to your Salesforce CRM quickly and accurately after the event, so you don't waste any time following up. This flow is built to solve that problem. Let's take a quick look at this flow to understand the Sheets connector. We'll start with this Google Sheets export. In this first step, we pull all the lead information from a Google Sheets spreadsheet into the flow. This data will be used in the next step to create corresponding lead records in Salesforce. To get started, you would simply click Create a new connection, configure your scopes to read or both read and write, and select the Google account you want to use. Next, you'll notice that you have access to a multitude of operations, which will differ depending on whether your step is an import or an export. In this export, we will select the Get API endpoint and the spreadsheets.value resource. This is a setup that we need to retrieve all the values from our spreadsheet. You'll also want to enter the spreadsheet ID, which you can find in the URL of your spreadsheet in this segment here. If the spreadsheet you would like to use has column headers, data can be easily exported in the desired format by clicking the First Record Contains Headers checkbox. No advanced business logic is needed to transform this data. I'll hit the Preview button to show you the format the data comes in like. Notice that for each record, the fields are named according to the column headers. After configuring the export from Google Sheets, we simply send data to the second step, which will create new Salesforce leads or update the ones that have been found to already exist. The final step will ultimately create a campaign member in Salesforce, completing a full automation of this process. Additionally, we offer a comprehensive Google Sheets template to jumpstart your integrations. You can find those templates in the Celigo marketplace. These templates leverage our subject matter expertise of the platform, offering free, pre-built integrations for various applications. I'll go ahead and search for the Sheets template now. The Sheets template offers you two flows to get started: an export to read all data from a spreadsheet, and an import to upload data into a spreadsheet. This import will update existing rows if data has changed and append new rows based on a key column. You can use these template flows to get a head start on building flows that involve these common use cases. Please give our Google Sheets connector a try, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.